So these were some of my older generations with Kling. New prop. There's another one. These images were created in ChatGPT. I uploaded it to here and let it give me some motion. GTA style of a go-kart in the 3D first-person game. This was in standard mode. New distortion. Again, this is the older version. And this was the 1.6 here. I just entered a simple prop. Lady crossing her arms. And that was really good. So now on the computer. So at first it wasn't a computer, and then just gave it the computer there. So this one here, the same thing. But it kind of changed his appearance. And then keep him consistent. The same here. So this is Kling 1.6, as you can see. Stands up. And throw it across the room. His appearance changes again and his head is a little off. This is Kling 1.6. And this is the new version. This is 1.6 as well. Then he's sad. This was an avatar that I had right other channel. Well, this channel. Okay, I just made her pull out a cell phone. Him the same way. I did him the same way. This one started getting wackier. I didn't like that at all. So all these softwares, none of them is going to be perfect. This is really wild. It's Kling 1.6. In this video right here, what I did is I went to video generations, multi-elements. I uploaded a scene from a previous video that I had. Let me show you how I did that, because that was my character right there. And I put him with that scene. So this is one of the scenes here. For an example. So this is my character right here. I put him on a motorcycle based off a scene from another video. So I uploaded the video here. I'm not going to do it to waste my credits. I'm just going to show you as an example how I created this scene. Okay. So click on the video frame. So let's say I want this frame right here. Position. I'm going to show you guys. Add selection. I want this guy right here. This whole entire guy in this frame right here. Confirm. So it's going to take him and upload my image right here of my guy, of my character, and I can put my character on that motorcycle. Let's say him here. So for a generation like this, or 2 seconds, there's going to be 50 credits, as you can see. So I got swap person X from the image here for X from the video. So when I got feeling X, it'd be man for X and other man. So I would change that to man, and I would change the other one to man as well. And that's how I created this video right here.